What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got a new device on deck. We got the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL on deck, guys. Now, I picked this up. It's a little bit later in the day. Just got this from UPS, but I wanted to unbox it for y'all and let y'all know it's on the channel and let y'all know the content is going to be coming. So let's just get straight into the unboxing. Okay, first and foremost, guys, this is a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is a 512 gig variant. This device got 16 gigs of RAM. Just a really spec'd out Pixel right here, slab of glass device. And that's why I picked it up, guys. I want to really try to get into AI. I've been overlooking AI and things of that nature, but I don't want to be a dinosaur. So we're going to jump into AI. We're going to jump into everything that Gemini and this Pixel have to offer. And I also had to up the size. I know I talk about my minimal devices, guys, but look at my hands. Look at my hands just with the box in my hand. Look how big my hands is. I mean, I like the look of minimal devices, but at the same time, it was just too much for my hands. I need the space. So we got the Pixel 9 Pro XL. As you can see on the side, tell you what device is going on. The colorway is Obsidian, and we're just going to get straight into it. Go ahead, tear these off. Slide the box out like so. And here we go. Now, as you can see, we got the device in the paper. Let's get the device out the way and see what else is going on in here. We just got the Type-C cable, Type-C to Type-C. And is anything under here? No. Now we got the rest of the stuff actually in the top of the box. And we're just going to pull this out like so. And we got our paperwork and SIM card remover. Now, as you can see on this wrap, we got the layout of the buttons. At the top, we got the power button. Then below the power button is the volume rocker. We got the under display fingerprint scanner, and now the fingerprint scanner is an ultrasonic, so stepped up like Samsung. And we got the spot for our Type-C. Not gonna be gentle. Get that off. As you can see, we got the Google G going on. Now, this is a gorgeous device, guys. I definitely could see it is going to pick up lint under this camera bar, because this camera bar really got some nice protruding to it. It definitely protrudes, but I mean, it is a aesthetic device, even in this Obsidian, and it feels just like an iPhone in the hand, honestly. Take a look at the side. We got the shiny aluminum side, just like an iPhone. Even the button press reminds me of an iPhone, guys. But as you can see, at the top is the power button, bottom is the volume rocker, and you can see how much that camera bar protrudes. That camera bar is really, really chunky, guys. We got the SIM card slot on the bottom, Type-C, and the speakers. I'm sure stereo speakers firing from the bottom and the top. Now, this is the XL, the bigger device, 6.8-inch screen, but it doesn't feel super heavy. It's a nice, it has enough heft to feel premium, but this is a pretty lightweight device. And this thing is going to look clean, guys. I got some cases coming that's going to look so clean for this device. We're doing a lot of case videos on this one, so that's something that you're going to want to watch out for. Okay, YouTube, so I did start it up and put my information in. I just wanted to take a look at the device, let y'all take a look at the device. I know y'all wanted to see it started up. I wanted to see it started up also. So just a couple things that y'all should know, that this device is going to stay with the Pixel launcher, because I really want to get into AI, things of that nature. Also, so this device feels just like an iPhone. It looks like the iPhone 14 Pro because the sides are shiny. But remember, the iPhone 14 Pro was actually like, had sharp edges because it was boxed off and the edges wasn't rounded. So this actually has the shiny sides of the 14 Pro, but it's boxy, but the edges are rounded so it don't feel uncomfortable in hand like the 15 Pro. And also, I'm not going to say a whole lot, but I will say this. Fingerprint scanner, you can tell the difference. You can tell them ultrasonic is definitely there. So, I mean, we're going to definitely get into this thing. I'm really curious to see how the 16 gigs of RAM and 10s of G4 is going to hold up. It's here on the channel. We got a lot of things coming for it. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.